In a bowl, put the corn flour. In a saucepan, put the water with salt and then pour in corn flour to start kneading. Then you have to get a mass of wet consistency. Once the flour is mixed with the water, you have to sprinkle corn flour on a surface and knead the mixture on it, adding the flour you need. Once the mixture is kneaded, divide it into medium-sized balls and begin to crush them by tapping with the fingers of the hand. In a hot plate, put the tallows and wait for them to be made. Meanwhile, in a frying pan, we fry what we want to accompany, for example, bacon.